Happy Good Friday, people. All right, I am headed out to the Arizona Game and Fish to get the boat inspected. You can see it back there. All right, I'll see you when we get there. Gang, as you can see, just left the Arizona Game and Fish, and yes, the boat is in my name and it is registered. I can continue on with my restoration of the project. All right, all right, gang, so headed now. I got the boat all squared away. The next thing I got to do is try to get my fuel level. Yeah, well, next I gotta get gas, and I gotta figure out how to get the trailer registered. So the guys at the Arizona Game and Fish told me that there's a third-party DMV place over here on the other side of the freeway. So I'm gonna shoot over there real quick and see if I can get some information. Maybe they can tell me what I need to do, what that process is going to be like. Then we should be good to go. All right, stay tuned. I went to that DMV and it was super packed. And when I got in there and I looked up on the board, what I realized is there is one that is literally right down the street from where I live to do the same thing. So I jumped back on the road and I was like, I'm gonna get back on my side of town. And then I ended up giving them a call to see if they can get me in and get my level 1 inspection today. And they were like, yeah, bring it on down. So we're on our way to that DMV in my neighborhood, and then see if I can get this trailer registered, get that legit, and then I'll be really, really happy today. Those two are some big worries because I didn't want to put any more money into this project unless I knew that I could get the boat and the trailer registered. So boat is registered. Now I just got to get the trailer registered. All right, let's get over here to this DMV. The gang just pulled up to the third-party motor vehicle service department. We're gonna go in here and see if we can get this trailer registered now. All right. Well, they don't do level 1 inspections. There is another one that's closer to my house. So I'm gonna go over there and see there. And if they don't do it, then I'll be going to the DMV main office, which is still not that far from where I'm at. But nevertheless, still off to the third one. Third time is a charm. All right, here we go. Let's hope third time's a charm. Gang, let me just tell you how good God is. So I thought with the trailer, you know, when I got this boat, it didn't have a title. It didn't have plates, registrations, none of that. It didn't have anything that it should have. So I went in expecting to get a level 1 inspection, and then I was gonna have to go through what is called the bonded title process. And I don't know if anybody knows or ever had to go through a bonded title process. It's expensive and it's timely. It takes a lot of time to get it done. The reason why I say God is so good, came up here to get my level 1 inspection. Lady came out and you know, she explained to me the whole process. And I was like, yeah, I'm prepared to go and get this started. Okay, I know I probably didn't said that, I'm rambling. Get to it, Sherman. Long story short, she came out to do the inspection. For some reason, we couldn't find the title on the boat. So she was going through And she said, hey, did you do any modifications to the trailer? So I explained it to her like, hey, this trailer was, it was not roadworthy when I purchased it. So I had to do a lot of work on it to get it to this state where I can, hook it up and put it on the road and tow the boat around. So she says, oh, great. She says, well, then we can do your trailer because you made modifications to it. We can register this as a new trailer, and what I can do is issue you a VIN, and you can get everything right now today. So thank God, just such a blessing, just a wonderful blessing. Oh, God is so great, guys. Oh, I just gotta give him praise right now. God is so great. I ended up getting my trailer registered, got the title for it. The plate and the title will be coming in 15 days, and everything now is in my name. Won't he do it? Won't he do it? All right, I'm on my way back home. Man, these two important things, and project, a winner, it's done.